Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. I made another fuck up. This is a 2006 Dodge Magnum SE with the junky ass 2.7 V6. As you can guess, if it's in my garage, it's got problems. Other than that, it's not too bad. I like it. It's the newest car I've ever owned. It's pretty straight. 17-inch steel wheels, new tires, base model. Needs a good cleaning. It's in pretty good shape. Went camping last night in it. It's got a lifter tick. We're gonna fix that today. Alright, I'm gonna fire it up and let you guys hear the tick, and then we're gonna try to get into it, see if we can make sure that it is what I think it is, and then we're gonna fix it. Coming from the back left, right if you're looking at it, you're back right, you're right, back there, behind the throttle body. Definitely over behind the throttle body. We're going to pull the valve cover off, and I'll show you exactly what it is, so I think it makes it. This is the hydraulic valve adjuster. You might call it a lifter, but it doesn't really lift. Basically, it sits in the block, spring-loaded, fills with oil for pressure, and the cam follower sits on this side, so this just keeps it tight. That's it. It's bad. We're going to try to fix it.